Hi, boys and girls. This week I'm asking that you read Fly High, Bessie Coleman by Jane Sutcliffe, and you can find that in your Common Lit account. As you read, there are a few things that I really want you to pay attention to. First of all, I want you to think about how the author begins this article. Really pay attention to the craft that the author is using and what the author does to draw the reader in to this article. Then I want you to be thinking about the challenges or struggles that Bessie Coleman faced, how she overcame those struggles, and what does that tell you about her. There's a document that's linked here that you'll see here where you can record any challenges. If you need more boxes, you can add more boxes. If you don't need this many, you don't have to put this many, but I think you should be able to find at least 3 challenges or struggles that she faced where you could type those in here. So maybe I might type in she came from a very poor family in the South. Who helped her? So here I might say her mom encouraged her to have a better life, so Bessie moved to Chicago. What does this show you about her? Then I would think that here you're going to put like a trait. She was intelligent and independent to move away from her family to start a better life for herself. This is just an example. You can put in other things, but again, you're going to talk about the challenges or struggles she faced, how she overcame them, maybe who helped her with those, and then what does this tell you about her? What traits would you use to describe her? Okay, and I really want you to, as you think about this article, what is the main point? What is the main idea that the author is trying to get across to the reader about Bessie Coleman? So that's one of the assessment questions. What's the central idea? So really be thinking about what he's trying to get across about Bessie Coleman. The last question over here, number 5, asks about how the text helps the reader understand the connection between race and limited opportunities in the United States. So I want you to really be sure that you're paying attention and thinking about the rubric that we use for a constructed response. Make sure you have a topic sentence, including the title. Make sure you have text evidence in your own thinking, at least a couple pieces of text evidence and a couple places where you're adding your own thinking, and then a concluding sentence that kind of wraps up with what was the big idea. Okay, check out the other things that are on the choice board then. So you're going to read the article, you're going to complete the organizer, complete the assessments this week, and then you'll see that there's also an opportunity for you to watch a separate video about Bessie Coleman, and then see how both the text and the video emphasize those challenges that she faced. And if you want to add any ideas to this chart that you started to fill out after watching the video, you can do that. But you might also find that the video just kind of reinforces some of the ideas that you read about in the article. I hope you enjoy reading about Bessie Coleman this week, and I look forward to seeing your work posted to our Seesaw class. Remember, you'll see your work in Common Lit. That's done there. But this organizer here, you're going to take a screenshot of your work and then post it to our 3rd grade TLT Seesaw class. Have a great day.